Then next question number 5. Two numbers are in the ratio 5:3. If the differ by 80, what are the numbers? Then two numbers ratios given here 5:3 and its a difference also given. Find out the numbers. So here we can take number to be x. Let the question number 5. Let the numbers be ratio 5:3. So 5x and 3x. And it's a difference. What are the difference of these two numbers? Then 80. So we can write its equation according to question. Question we can write 5x minus 3x. 5x minus 3x is equal to which number? 80. Find out the numbers. Then we can solve this equation. Look, 5x minus 3x, what is here variables? Look, already which side? Left side. So 5x minus 3x, 2x is equal to 80. Then x is equal to 18 divided by 2 is equal to which number? 9. So we get x. So we can find out 5x and 3x. Then 5x is equal to, what is 5x? 5x is equal to 9 into 5, sorry, 5 into 9 is equal to which number? 45. And 3x is equal to 3 into 9 is equal to which number? 27. Then so we can write the numbers are therefore the required numbers are 45 and 27. The next question number 6. 3 consecutive integers add up to 51. What are these integers? 3 consecutive integers means consecutive means nearest integers. It's add up to, what is it? Sum 51. Find out the integers. Question number 6. So here let numbers are, let the numbers are, we can write first number x, then second number, which number? X plus 1. Then third number x plus 2. Here look, nearest number we can take 4, 5, 6. This 4, 5, 6 are 3 consecutive number. Here look, this what is the difference? First number we can take x, 4. Means x plus 4 plus 1, x plus 1, 5. Then x plus which number? Third number x plus 2. Likewise here we take x plus 1, x plus 2. Then according to question, then form equation. How to write its equation? Sum x plus 1, second number. Then third number x plus 2. is equal to which number? 51. Then this x variables we can add here. Look, x, how many x here? 3x. 3x plus how numbers? 1 plus 2 is 3 is equal to which number? 51. So 3x is equal to 51. This go to right side. So positive change into negative. Then what is answer? 51 minus 3. X is equal to 51 minus 3 which number? 48. 48. So x is equal to 48. Here you write 48. 48 by 3. What is answer here? How many times? 3 in 4, 1 time. Then 18, how many times? 3? 6. So x is equal to 16. Look. Here then second number x plus 1 which number? X plus 1 is equal to 60 plus 1 is equal to which number? 70. Then x plus 2 is equal to 60 plus 2 is equal to which number? 80. Then what is the numbers? What are the integers? So we can write it. Therefore, what are the integers are 16, 17 and 18. 16, 17 and 18. Is it clear? The next question number 7. Look, the sum of 3 consecutive multiples of 8 is 888. Find the multiples. Question number 7. Then the sum of 3 consecutive multiples. So we take like 3 consecutive multiples of 8. Let the 3 consecutive 8. B, we can take first lesson here. Here we take x, x plus 1, x plus 2. This is 3 consecutive numbers. So multiples of 8 means this number multiply by 8 and this also multiply by 8. First number, second number, third number. So we can take 8x, 8 into x plus 1, then 8 into x plus 2. These are 3 consecutive multiples of 8. Then consecutive numbers x, x plus 1, x plus 2. Then multiples of 8 means these numbers multiply by 8. Then we can write its equation. According to question. Its sum is look 8x plus 8 into x plus 1 plus 8 into x plus 2 is equal to 888. Listen here, look this number, which numbers are common number here? 8 is common number. So this common number we can write outside the bracket. Balance numbers, this numbers we can write inside the bracket. X plus 1 plus x plus 2 is equal to 888. Then next 8 into inside numbers, how many x? 1, 2, 3. 3x plus numbers 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 is equal to 888. Then we know outside number multiply by inside numbers. So first number 3x, then 8 multiply 3x, we get 24x plus 8 3s are 24 is equal to 888. Then 24x stand left side of the equation and this 24 go to right side is equal to 888 minus positive change into negative, so 24. Then 888 minus 24, what is answer? 888 24, look 4 6 8 864. Then 24x is equal to 864. Then what is x? Then x is equal to 864 divided by 24. Then 864 divided by 24, how many times? About 3 times. 24 3s are 72. Then look, 6 minus 2, 4, 8 minus 1. The next 144, how many times? Look, 6 times. 6 4s are 20, 4 carry 2, 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 2. So how many times? 36. So x is 36. Then here first number 8x. So look, 8x is equal to which number? 8x. 8x is equal to 8 into 36. Which number? 8 6 are 48. Carry 4. 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 4 28. The next 8 x plus 1. What is answer? X plus 1. Here x plus 36 plus 1 37. So 8 into 37. Look, 8 7s are 50. 6 carry 5. 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 5 29. So second number is 296. The next 8 into x plus 2 is equal to 8 into 38 is equal to 8 8s are 64. Carry 6. 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 3 30. So third number 304. Then the 3 consecutive multiples are, so we can write the 3 consecutive. Multiples are 288, 296 and 304. Then now how many questions balance? Then 16 questions balance. You try for solve this questions and write. You should write your copy. Then okay, thank you.